Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to pair your skID device via Bluetooth to your PC. By default, the skID has the BLE communication protocol with the easy-to-read profile active. So, as a preliminary action, you must set the Bluetooth firmware. If you do not know how to perform this action, please watch the video linked in the comments. Once the Bluetooth firmware is loaded, let's see how to pair the skID to your PC. First, go on our website www.knrfid.com. Click on the support button and then on software and firmware. Write Easy Controller in the search bar and click on the download button. Download the files and extract them in a folder and install the software. On my PC, I have already done it. We will use it later. Now turn on the skID reader and the Bluetooth on your PC. Now turn on the skID and the Bluetooth on your PC. Click on Add Bluetooth or other device. Select the Bluetooth option from the list and click on the skID. Once the connection is established, the blue LED will blink for a while. Your PC has now created two COM ports for the skID. To check which COM ports have been created, click on More Bluetooth options and then select COM ports. In this example, there are the COM15 and the COM16. Note that the COM16 is Bluetooth serial port and is the one to which we will connect. Now run the Easy Controller app on your PC. Click on File, Connect and select the COM16. The blue LED is turning on. Now we can click on Start Inventory button to read our tags. Disclaimer: if you change the skID interface from easy to read to HID profile, or you change the Bluetooth firmware, you must unpair and pair again the skID to your PC to make things work. That's it for this video. If you have any question, feel free to contact us or leave a comment. A greeting from KNRFID team.